Hey everyone, my name is Morty. Today's video I'm going to briefly explain the basic concept of a space elevator, explain what it is, explain why it's so important, and just really get over the basic concept to make sure that it's easy to understand and something that we can all know we can work for and work toward to. So, very simply, a space elevator is a tether, so a rope, a ribbon, a rope held from Earth to space. It gets held up because of Earth's centrifugal force, so the fact that Earth is spinning actually allows the tether to stay up and keeps it held taut, similar to clothing that sticks to the edge of a washing machine. We then can have a counterweight at the other end to keep it held out. As you can see very simply in this model here, we have our planet and our space elevator rope. In real life, it'll likely be something like 3 or 4 feet wide going to space. It will be extremely lightweight and extremely strong, but also really easy to come apart and break apart for safety reasons and for obvious understanding reasons of the fact that we have something stretching from Earth to space. Now, it will be made out of the same material diamonds are made out of, which is extremely strong and will let it stay up and not fall under its own weight. Now, as long as Earth is spinning, the string gets held up, and that is exactly what happens with Earth. You may not feel like you're moving, but Earth is actually spinning at around 1,000 miles an hour. So you're moving through space really quickly, and that is the force that's going to hold the elevator up. We will likely have a counterweight at the end to actually hold it up, and this can be made as long as it can. It'll also stay on the exact same spot on Earth, being that it's anchored on Earth and going way beyond geosynchronous orbit, keeping it stuck along the same spot on our planet at all times. It's cool to have access to space, but we have rockets, and they are incredible. Rockets will keep advancing, and rockets should keep advancing. Space right now with rockets is mostly benefiting data. It's mostly getting us to send a satellite or something up there where we can then send the information back for free. To truly get space to benefit everyone, we need to be able to send matter. We need to be able to send real items to and from space consistently and efficiently, and most importantly, scalably. Rockets, as amazing as they are limited by something called the rocket equation, which basically means that the larger a rocket gets, the more mass the rocket needs to have to send up, right? A minimum of 80% of a rocket has to be its fuel just to make orbit. So that means rockets are a very limited way of accessing an economy, and we're building an economy around that. But to truly scale space, we need to go beyond this. And that's where the space elevator comes in. Think of how we have airplanes and ships, right? The airplanes are sending small amounts of mass, small amounts of items over the same distances, but extremely quickly. An airplane sends materials from one place to the next extremely quickly, but also extremely expensive. On the other side, we have the shipping routes, which send much larger amounts of stuff slowly, but for a significantly lower cost. That's what the space elevator is. It's not pretty, it's not glamorous, it's not this incredible rocket with a beautiful fire burning underneath it, but that's the point. It's not an event, it's not a extreme experiment, it's just infrastructure. It's the rough, ugly infrastructure that we need to truly scale space access to make space really benefit everyone on Earth. Now, in our sample here, we actually would have robotic climbers travel up and down this tether, bringing the cargo and people up to space. So once we have the railway system built, we can continuously just travel up and down it. It's a highway to the stars, and it's our only way to scale space access. I hope I explained this well enough, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we will try to answer them in future videos. Stay tuned and subscribe for more videos like this, explaining how a space elevator works and what we're doing to make it happen, and of course how you can take part and join in this incredible future for humanity. So subscribe and leave a comment. You know what to do, and thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.